Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to verify your identity on Testerup. So let's get started with the video. Make sure you are using the latest version of Testerup application. So once you open it here, you will get a notification that you can see on the top of the home page that you may require to verify your liveliness before you can cash out. That basically means after you reach out the minimum payout amount, that is $70, you can log into this application and you need to verify yourself in order to process the payment. In order to withdraw the payment, you have to verify yourself. So how you can do that? You can also go to this payout section. Once you have the minimum payout, that is $70 in your account, you will then have to click on, you will get an option of verify now. You have to click on start verification now. So basically when you will click on start verification now, it will guide you through the face verification process, which is from the Testerup's trusted partner, that is Face Tech. So once you click on that, a face verification will take place, and once you have successfully completed the verification, you will receive a confirmation and then you can proceed the request to your payout. So this is how you can do that. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.